Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can add Bootstrap icons to unordered lists in Divi 5. So I have this page with a simple unordered list. As you can see, it has the default bullets, and this is what I want to replace with icons. There are many ways to do this. I think the easiest way is to use Bootstrap Icons. Bootstrap is a free CSS framework, and it also comes with a bunch of font icons. As you can see, the new version comes with 100 new icons, and it now has over 2000. It's free to use, so let's see how we can do it. So first we need to include these icons into our Divi theme. Let's click on Install, and we need this piece of code. Click this icon to copy it, and let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Let's go to Divi, Theme Options, Integration, and let's add this code here and click Save Changes. Now our Divi theme has access to these icons. Let's go to our page and let's activate the Divi builder, and let's edit this text module. Let's click on the module settings, and under the advanced tab, let's go to CSS ID and classes, and let's add a custom CSS class. I'm going to add custom-icon. You can name this any way you want. It doesn't really matter. Let's click Save. And now, using this custom class, we can better target this element here. Let's go to Custom CSS. Make sure you have the freeform CSS selected. And here we need to add a few lines of CSS code to add the icon. So first we need to remove the default bullets. We can do this with this code. So by setting the list style to none, we remove the icon, and with padding left, we remove the left padding from the list elements. The next code we need to add is this. So with this, we target each individual list item inside the unordered list. And one note, if you added a different class name here, you need to make sure that here you use your own class name. Okay, let's get back to this code. So the position relative prepares the list item to position child elements, like the icon, relative to itself. So with padding left, we add space to the left of the text in the list item, so there is room for the icon. And finally, we add one more CSS block here that adds the icon. So we add the icon before the list element or the list item by using this before pseudo element. And because here we use position relative, here we use position absolute. And the position absolute places the icon in a fixed position relative to the list item. With the content, we basically define which icon we want to use. If you want to use a different icon, you just need to go back to the Bootstrap website, and let's say we want to use, I don't know, maybe this one. It doesn't really matter. And here we need to look for these Unicode representation of the icon, and here we just need to copy the CSS version. Let's go back here and let's change this. Make sure you have this backward slash here, and let's just paste the code here, and now we have a different icon. The font family ensures the icon comes from the Bootstrap Icons font set. With left 0, we align the icon to the left edge of the list item. With top 0, we align the icon vertically to the top of the list item. The font size sets the size of the icon, so if you want to change it, you can, but then you would need to change the font size of the list element as well. You can do that under the Design tab. We'll just set this back to 1 rem. And if you want to change the color of the icon, you can do that here. And now you have a red icon. And if you are happy, click Save, then click Exit. And now we have a really nice icon for the unordered list. If you have any questions, just please leave a comment below the video. And don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.